There are some basic questions that most people would never ask themselves. They find it difficult to break out of the identity trap. It is this state of unawareness and it is this identity trap that keep most people in bondage all their life. Knowledge is the opposite of ignorance, and a person who is ignorant thinks he knows it all. That is a proof of his ignorance. Now, everyone is born ignorant and for a time live in ignorance. But anyone who remains ignorant has himself to blame, not others. And I never really understood the phrase seek and you shall find until I discovered it, and then looking back, I realized that I was seeking. Most people, they don't know this because they've never tried. Self evaluation is important because it is this self evaluation that gives you the confidence to stay on track toward your burning desire. By reassessing your objective, asking yourself questions like, what do I want very much? Am I making good use of my God given ability? This answer will come to you in accordance to your belief system because nothing is going to come to you that does not come through you. You can work with universal laws and let it do the job for you. You have to first obey it. The universe is kind and beautiful because most people don't know its nature and how to work with it. Another aspect is identity. Identity needs to be connected with something you want very much. Now, identity and purpose must be connected. Then you take a purpose for action. Why these two need to be connected is that when a person has no identity or identity-based behavior, your mind will automatically find the identity in the majority of people who are going nowhere. And if you pick up your identity in the majority of people who are drifting in the sea of absolute emptiness, whether consciously or unconsciously, you should really start to re-examine your belief system and the action you take. Purpose without identity, you are going to quit in the first sign of misfortune and opposition. This is the part that always try to distract me but nothing is going to distract me from what I want very much. You have to get into the spirit of what you are doing, moving toward your goal with full force for a week or for a month and later falling back to old habits. It's just like working on a beautiful farm and later abandon it. It will go back to the way it was. Now, have you ever been in a situation where something happened and you don't know how it happened, or something strange happened to you that you did not expect? Well, it is not strange when you understand how everything works. Your mind and everyone's mind is connected. It doesn't mean that you have plenty of mind. There's only one mind and everyone uses a mind. Your life is controlled by your thinking. Your thoughts and everyone's thoughts is connected, is omnipresent. So you can be receptive to what others are thinking. Everything you see around you, the trees, the skies, the animals, all these are manifestations of spirits, and spirits operate in exact principle. In order there be a manifestation, it has to be a material world for spirit to manifest itself as form. And you are no exception. The material universe is the last plane of existence, but not the finished plane. And so far you are here, you have been equipped with a physical body in order to correspond with the material universe. Isn't it amazing when you realize that we are the only conscious being in the universe that can think? The other creations are being acted upon, but you yourself can choose what to bring into form. In other words, you can take the same substance in which your body is made out of and turn it into something else. You are a spiritual being and spirit operates by law. You hold in your mind the vision, the idea, the image, the picture of what you want very much. And it will start to take form by the same laws that govern the material universe. Now, your job is to hold the picture, the rest is automatic. The word you sent out will not return to you empty. I believe that was written in the Bible. The word universe as a whole is something you can't see. And if you are taking judgment by what is going on outside, you'll be subject to change because the outside world is subject to change. But there is an inner world within you, and the realization of such a world enables you to achieve anything regardless of outside circumstance. Now don't forget to subscribe, for I'll be back with more important lesson. So bye for now.